Shandong Braces International Trade Company Limited is a full industry chain company dedicated to the research and development, design, production and sales of wood plastic products, achieving independent control throughout the entire process. The headquarters of the company is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, China. Start the WPC production from 2008 with large scale of WPC products. We have more than 100 different WPC products co-extrusion. By the way, all products except customization. The factory covers an area of 35,000 square meters and has 52 fully automated production lines. Our main products include PVC wall panels, wood veneer metal plate, mirror plate, water ripple, PVC wall panels interior waterproof wall cladding, WPC ceiling panels, integrated wallboard, WPC timber tube. Our products use high-quality PVC and wood powder after high-temperature extrusion, with waterproof, moisture-proof, inflaming, retarding, anti-corrosion, and termites-proof, easy to clean. We will continue to adhere to the principles of green environmental protection and excellent quality. Continuously improve product quality and service level. Actively expand the market and strive to become your friend in the global wood plastic home furnishing industry. Contact us today for more information or to place an order.